Smash Riot at first. Maybe we can go to a different destination.
I know, you have a tingle, man.
I mean, I felt like...
It was weird.
You don't
Did you
squeeze
feel
and don't
something
put
on
your
your
thumbs at the top.
Yeah,
Just hold on to that
Need to
copper
like
piece
rotate.
so they just can swing freely.
Then like when you hit the arm.
Whoa.
Ooh.
Like,
What is a yes?
when it came over here.
Keep them little five parts of it.
What is a no? What is a no?
Point. It might be too close to the camera.
Oh,
It might pick up
something.
some kind of energy from the camera.
I'm gonna cut
Straighten
this
out.
off for a minute.
Straighten out, please. He doesn't know.
No.
Yeah, you try. You don't wanna-
Come on, Justin.
That was good.
That was weird.
She has the most power with that rod.
Is there someone here? They already know my answer. Where are you standing?
That ghost keeps standing near me.
He's
I'm
pointing at
telling
you.
you.
Yep.
They like you.
Can you straighten
Ask him
up,
again.
please?
Ask him
I'm
again.
moving around.
Straighten. Where are you standing now? This ghost likes you.
Okay, Ryan, take the camera. I think it's the camera. I'm gonna move one more time, and I want you to ask one time.
Straighten up.
Move over there so it moves.
Are you still here? Where are you standing?
Wow.
I think he likes you.
Is he touching my butt or something?
Can you move just the right one?
Wow.
Can you move just the left one?
Alright, let's stay here for a little bit.
Can you touch me on the right arm? Almost there.
Do you want to take Ayana home with you?
What's her name? Ayana.
Ayana.
Don't ask those questions.
Uh-oh.
Straighten out.
Ryan, go. Please.
Straighten it out. Thank you very much.
Ask him if he's tall.
Are you tall? What the heck is that all about? Straighten up. Straighten up. Do you like Ayana? Oh yeah. He really likes you.
This is enough. I don't ask anything else about him.
Do you like anybody else here?
This just died, by the way. Yeah.
Ask him, does he like Ryan?
It died?
Yeah.
Ask him, does he like
I
Ryan?
can't even turn it on.
Do you like Ryan?
No, I got it.
Wow.
Where's Ryan?
Right here.
Look, Ryan,
Well, I know where you are.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
asking him.
How do you know I'm Ryan?
Because we've been calling you that.
Oh, yeah.
ask him, can I leave him here tonight? I don't want him to come home with me. Will he stay here?
Are you staying here tonight? Yeah. They usually don't go with you.
Good.
Would you like to go home with Ayana?
I've seen enough.
Can you go home with Ayana?
Oh.
No,
Thank you.
Whoa.
Does that make you sad?
Ask him, is he under 21?
Straighten up.
Please.
All the way. A little more.
Do you have a girlfriend?
Are you under 21?
Ask him, is he under 15?
Are you under 15? Are you 19? 18? 17? I think he's 17. step forward.
Who?
You.
Why?
Just step forward. Open. Under your
No.
Would you like to give her a hug?
Oh my God. Don't play with me. I don't want to hug this thing.
Okay, let go. We had one that wouldn't let go. It would just,
Okay, I
it would
had
just
enough.
stay there.
So she's not gonna get pregnant now, is she?
No. The poltergeist.
Would
She
she
didn't
know?
touch her there.
Thanks, Ryan.
Did everything go back on?
Yeah, I went back on. That was incredible.
So really, it just died and then.
I wonder
No,
what
no,
he
I'm
was
just
standing
everything we
next
just
to.
saw right now. That was incredible.
They said they like.
It did just snap